Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, language and input, language. Here you have the full list of languages which you can set your device in. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and the language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, додатково, мова та ведення, мови, and select English here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.